YouTube.
You done nice girl at Tony right here.
And Shadi YK over here.
Period, and you don't know, so we're there back again with another video.
So today we'll be doing spicy Q&A while eating.
Yeah.
While doing a mukbang.
Yeah.
Yes,
Period.
so let's get into the video,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Let's get into the Let's get into the video.
Period.
Alright.
I'm gonna ask the questions. So my first question is what is your favorite position?
Cool girl.
What?
Cool girl.
Well,
You know what cool girl means?
Hold, tell me.
Like you tip on top.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, me back straight.
Freedom is something.
Alright, people, so my other question is, have you ever had a friend with benefit?
No.
Once you're a friend, you're a friend.
Yeah. You have to keep friends in a friend zone.
I have somebody in friend in me there.
The peanut punch. Yes, and sorrel juice, soursop juice, and in juice them nice things off here too.
What you call fetish?
The fetish. We have fetish, but we don't have fetish.
You think you have any me put in?
You ever have experience where it nearly like you touch your and say no,
So where people in town when me ever talk to?
they're mad, they're not even out here.
You need to go and no fishy joke with them or
Have you ever done it in a churchyard?
never.
Why not?
Me never do it pants, you know what I did?
Me not bringing a cup. You ever did it in a churchyard?
Them fries I get lily do. I like it big long fries, remember? Long fries I like people, they want too
I
short.
need that in my soul. You know what I like to have for the eat today right now?
Yeah.
Ice. It's just enough ice. I've never done it in a churchyard. When we used to go to church often, we never did have 16 time, I'm a church girl. We got church, God in my soul. Me and you guys same church, you grew up in the same church.
We got church, we're church, but me not
We used to dance and sing.
You can't tell what I forgot that.
Neither. We're going to go to church this Sunday. We're going to make it a point of duty.
Or if me not go to church this Sunday, we go Christmas Sunday.
We're going this Sunday. When you got no soul. And
we go carry along with the people.
oh yeah, we can vlog that as well.
We can't to get one phone people.
Yeah, when she gets her phone, she'll stop going look for me. Because that's so people always
You can still do collab.
I do love it, man. This is number G. Per. Have you ever had sex with a friend? It's a friend, not friend, it benefits are two different.
I see him.
I'm not do friend. I always tell people, say, if you have a friend, then you stay in the friend zone because you have a bond with this person. Don't spoil it with relationship because the relationship don't last. Whereas when you're young, you just enjoy the relationship while it lasts, and not every relationship will last. You don't look for marriage in a relationship either. You know that people been on the wrong. Just date people, get to know people. Don't have sex with a friend. Have sincere people around you.
Yep.
Why would you have sex with a friend?
Cause friend, me not go. Once you have my friend, you just have my friend. Me not go have sex with you.
Exactly. We have so much out there here right now. Like as friend, I always link up at night time. Who are we link up to? Who are we chill and it? And everybody a family. You know here nobody have sex, no friend have sex with friend. Because that just gonna spoil the vibes that we have.
So when I go guilty. When I go guilty.
And then if you come out so we in a relationship, so if a drama, I go start happen, and then it vibes that we always have, it just now go ever right, it just now go deady again.
And I go feel the energy there.
Yeah.
You don't want to go other place go, you know?
So we can't spoil the vibes with sex just because of sex. Sex, I give it everywhere. For free.
And in a runway. All old have sex, stay there. All old people have sex, so stay there.
I know, I watched the one YouTube couple on YouTube the other day where old people and they talk about how much they have sex and this and that. Sometimes I'm tired, but you know when you want to be ready same time. Old man a 60-year-old and I say, yes, grandpa, yeah.
Then
Which is right.
Then trunk and it is if right kind of food.
Right, Bill. Same some. 50-year-old. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm that. When you're 50 and then it's as long as like, they can stand up, you're good. Excuse me. Would you share your boyfriend? Would you share your boyfriend? Why not?
Once I see my man, I see my man. I'm sure I'll come against him.
So you want, you not have a fetish of watching your man having dugu.
Remember, say you start sex with your man, you know, so stop. Why?
Who? Hey girl. But if I have sex with the man,
Yes, girl.
look here. Nobody know who me have sex with. My man them always out of parish. She have fear local man.
Remember, say.
My man them do local. I can go.
Remember, say me catch you and my man in a graveyard and fuck it.
Me no know.
No.
You see? And not even graveyard and beside one grave.
No. Yes, see, you do it true, though.
I don't know why I was a compound video account to this. But the girl.
You have to stop it, tragedy.
You feel happy. Me just like laugh at every time I try to prank me. If you try to prank me with that, come enjoy the fries and chicken.
I'm a prank. People used to take my man.
Yes,
used to
girl.
take my man.
Yes, Mr. Take our man. Right off the body already. And everything. But because I tell them, they have to give him up. Yes.
A man.
Man thief. Don't
No.
trust me on a man. Me go take him.
So yeah, for a big man levels, I must stop it.
Me take our man. Make sure me tell them. Last question. And we have our last question.
Yep. When what when was your virgin? What age did your virgin?
I lost it at age 16.
Man, I'm 15.
How you plan for it, like our relationship? Nikhil,
That's all.
you didn't know our relationship.
The first time, I can't say prank, man. God no.
My first time did actually plan, like,
It did about
all of
happen.
my friends
And
them
then-
did have sex. So
and then my brother, my two one side prank, and my brother won't catch me. I get some lick tonight.
she get catch having sex, guys. Oh
No,
my
you know, we
God.
didn't make virgin till it broke the night there, but it never. Blues.
And you still go take your virginity after you get bussed.
Still.
Alright, so my virginity did plan. Like, I did one planting. Me have a group of friends. I did both 6 away. And everybody except me and Chanel, we never have sex. I think the only thing we do is kiss boy and then kiss. You know. So when we plan to lose my virginity, me just say, you know what, him look like he experienced. Take my virginity. So me lose mine.
How
It's
much
very
ice have you
special.
come? No,
We
to
should
eat
do
much,
this
I
one
don't
camera.
too much ice, you know?
Me not fit eat so much ice.
To eat ice.
That's what my uncle tell me. Guys, what's wrong with being pregnant and eating ice?
So me used to eat it too, and they said the ice no good for you.
Oh my god. Me dey eat a whole cup full of ice like this. I'm addicted since my pregnancy.
Yeah, people.
Question. Who their first love in high school?
First love in high school.
Who you did love?
You like around William Travis. But did you have one girlfriend, so I couldn't like him like that, because he never single.
Guys, forever since me I'm here. And since me adult, me realize that forever since me just a yam head. From me say me love a boy. From 7th grade, everybody said to me. Even when a guy left my grade, I love him up to 9th
High
grade.
school now, me baby father day. From
Your baby father left in high school? That's
10th grade, we start talk.
eh. When we talk in high school and
Me and him talk for 5 years when me and him stop talk. Me talk for 5 years when me and him stop talk.
Guys, me done nerd. My book did come first. I had boyfriends. You can have boyfriends just with limits. For underage, me just make you know, just have limits. Because pregnancy don't pretty. When people say pregnancy is beautiful, it is beautiful at some point, but it is hard. And guess what? If you're gonna have sex and you're gonna breed young, some of the time it's easy for the man. They love you right now, it's easy for the man. Run left you and that pity there. And you have to keep a baby and take care of baby for yourself.
And the man will eat with the hand.
So have boyfriend, kiss, hold hand, hug up. But like the sex part, if you start having sex already, you can't tell yourself to stop having sex.
Use condom.
Use condom.
Use protection.
Up and pill.
Although you can burst
just make sure it's your priority and your book, because everything, even if your friend them a did, because that me do wrong. If your friend them a did, mama said that nah run away. Sex nah run away. Yeah? And sex don't knife, you just start. Don't talk. Stop to me third time I did bleed. To me third time I did sex me bleed.
We don't know people. I like to think part business.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. And if you watched this one, oh my god, blessings to your doorstep.
Welcome all the new people in our building. Big up on yourself and big up my supporters. Them always support me, yeah?
Yeah.
We love
you. We love your support.
Yeah.
Real. So, thank you guys so much for watching the video.
Yep.
And we will see you in the next one. You guys will see us in the next one. Or that's only alone. But you may know me always over here, so you know that's only world.
We go over this too. Yeah, here.
Not from the world. So yes, guys.
Just I'm gonna tell them so. Oh, and remember to comment down below if you like the video. And comment in the ideas they want to have. Because I see people that watch the video, but they're not, majority of people that watch the video, they're not subscribing. So I'm wanting to just subscribe, hit the notification bell, yeah. So whenever I upload video, and just be safe.
Yes, be safe, guys. Remember, COVID is still out there. Yeah.
Bye, guys.